Hi, we're Team Hallmate and we're revolutionizing education, but we're not trying to disrupt our teachers. We're zeroing in on one issue teachers can't control, which is managing how students behave outside of classrooms. Hall time is necessary for students to utilize school amenities and visit their counselors, but without a proper accountability system, students may use this time irresponsibly. This includes illicit drug use, vandalism, and students cutting class rather than learning, which is why we created Hallmate for our school, a smarter solution for creating hall passes. Let's take a look at how it works.
I need to use the restroom, but I don't have to interrupt my class to do so. All I have to do is go to my designated classroom kiosk and enter in my student ID. I'm instantly recognized because Hallmate is connected with the student database. All I have to do now is enter my destination, which is in this case the restroom, and I'm already good to go. Once I submit my session request, the teacher will immediately be prompted and be given the option to either accept or deny it. They also get comprehensive data on what is happening through the session, including the status of the destination and the length of the session. Once I come back, all I have to do is retype my student ID into the kiosk and I'll be able to finish my session.
With clear graphs and an AI-powered chatbot, the administrator's dashboard makes it easy to retrieve data about student excursions. For example, what grade spends the most time outside of class? What time of day are students leaving class the most? Which teachers are most lenient with their students' hall passes? All of this data can be easily saved or downloaded by generating a PDF report. Students with special needs or medical conditions may need to be out of class for various reasons. We understand that. To accommodate them, administrators can create a policy with extended time and label it as special needs. What if two students are frequently out of class at the same time? To prevent potential disorderly conduct, an administrator can implement a special policy called a block meetup. If one of the two students is already out, the other student will need to wait for them to come back before leaving class. Administrators can also set max capacities for all destinations in order to prevent overcrowding or group meetups. If this capacity is surpassed, Hallmate has a queuing system to ensure that students can leave in the order that they requested to. But in the case of an emergency, the teacher has the power to override the queue, or any other limitation set by the system, including the block meetups.
Behind the simplicity of Hallmate is a robust tech stack designed for speeds, reliability, and security. At the front-end architecture is Nuxt, a framework built on top of Vue.js. Its modular design allows for automatic code splitting, which ensures that teachers never get interrupted by slow load times. For our backend, we chose Django, a powerful Python framework known for its strong cybersecurity, including protections against SQL injections and cross-site scripting. Cybersecurity is always a priority, which is why we use Nginx, a reverse proxy that prevents outside users from directly accessing our backend servers. For real-time communication, we utilize Redis. This in-memory data store allows us to handle WebSocket connections. We also use SQLite, a lightweight database that allows us to instantly generate reports or get student data. Finally, we use Windows Task Scheduler to run batch scripts every morning that start our server up, making sure that admin doesn't have to worry about rebooting our application every morning.
The best part, Hallmate is locally hosted and completely free for developers to maintain and use, meaning that we're saving our school over $6,000 a year in comparison to other Hallmate trackers.
Our application is already in use, with 7 teachers supporting us as beta testers.
We plan to release Hallmate in 2025 across the West Coast.
Thank you for your time. We look forward to seeing Hallmate grow in the future.